G.I.A Automotive 1998 Ford Econoline. I'm gonna show you the vacuum lines that come out from the EGR, that EFI pressure sensor module that is linked into the EGR system. These vacuum lines here are the lines that run from the driver's side, over the engine, and they wrap, and then they come down. There's 3 of them there, and there's rubber pieces of hoses that connect to the metal parts of those vacuum lines. There's 3 of them. If you study the diagram, the vacuum line diagrams, this diagram here that you're gonna see on most vehicles helps you and explains to you the routes, the starting and ending points of each vacuum hose, so you can determine where you want to go start searching for leaks, broken lines, or whatever. If we look up here, you'll see this is the EGR. This is the solenoid to the EGR, and then this is the EFI little module with the other vacuum line that feeds it. This is the valve. It's the main, like a main vacuum, it says on there. And then this right here is where those 3 that I was just showing you down at the bottom end out. They end up to this air box here. This is a vacuum. This is a vacuum box that goes onto those lines here that were just hanging there, and I was trying to figure out where they went because I heard them hissing, and I was getting a EGR code on the check engine light, so I was trying to pinpoint where they needed to be connected. So there's 2 openings there. There's 2 openings there, and if this little container is not cracked, it's gonna hold the vacuum and send the vacuum signal to the EGR and allow it to open and close like it's supposed to. So I want to send a special shout out to the goofball that just knocked that out and threw it away or whatever they did to it. I figured it out, and I see there was no information on this, so I wanted to share with you guys. That box that I just showed you is this right here, the VSER, whatever however you want to pronounce it. There's Verser or VSER. So comment down below and with your pronunciation, the correct pronunciation, because we're all teachers here. Anyways, if you ever are trying to figure out where the vacuum lines go to, there's a good chance you're going to see a diagram underneath the hood of any vehicle for the most part. So go ahead and look for it. And this is an E250, but it's the same procedure for like the F-150, the F-250. These Econolines are pretty much the same from I'm gonna say 91 all the way up to current now. So comment down below, tell me what you see different on yours. And anyways, in case anybody was wondering where those lines go to, those lines end up inside of that box that is mounted on. There's a piece of the bracket that it's supposed to be mounted onto. So I'm gonna make it stay up there somehow and put it back on, clear the codes, and go for a ride. And hopefully I don't have the light come back. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll talk to you next time.